Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Sadukey indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool is a trend and volatility-based indicator that plots colored levels or zones on your chart, helping you visually identify market phases and potential breakouts or reversals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. The Sadukey indicator typically plots dynamic horizontal or step-like levels around price, which change color based on the prevailing trend direction. When the plotted levels appear below price in a bullish color, they visually imply a supportive upward trending environment. When the level flips above price in a bearish color, they imply resistance and a downtrend or a downward trending environment. The way price interacts with these levels, bouncing from them, consolidating around them, or breaking through them, helps you see when volatility is compressing, when ranges are forming, and when the market may be attempting a breakout. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. So our core settings, basically, we have the count bars, number of bars count, and then the ND. We can also choose our preferred colors for bullish and bearish conditions. We can set them here. And we can trade on our preferred time frames as well. So who is the indicator for and what are its limitations? The Sadukey indicator is suited to traders who like to trade trends and volatility shifts and who want clear visual levels that separate bullish and bearish conditions. It's an analytical tool only and does not open or manage trades. Levels and color flips are derived from past price action and can lag or whipsaw during choppy, low liquidity or news-driven sessions. For better reliability, it should be used together with higher time frame context, price patterns, and robust risk management. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Sadukey indicator and see chart examples at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.